All right, guys, I'm gonna have a quick little update video to the Chill Zone pool in Highlandville, Mo. Just a real quick thing before I bury it today. And today's Saturday. I'm over here bedding some conduits and gonna show you kind of a cool feature that we can do with the Nudura 1 series or the Element with the XR panels. And that is a real big benefit for when you're absolutely concerned about your thermal efficiency of your pool, or you are like a lot of our customers out on the West Coast, California, seismic zones. This is a really cool feature that helps a lot. Okay, so as you can see down here, it's very muddy down here. We had tornadoes last night, and even with 80-mile-an-hour winds, our Element pool room did just fine, even though it's not poured. But we're actually able to, just like you're doing wiring on a house, because we have 4 inches of foam or 4.5 inches with the Element XR panels, or 4 3/4 almost, you have room to bed a 2-inch pipe inside the wall, meaning, for our purposes, we have a good thermal break. There's no pipe running in Mother Earth getting robbed of all its, heat. More importantly, and where we use this a lot more, is like our guys in Orange County, some of the guys in California that we deal with, because they're in seismic zones, and it's so easy to get a shear break on, anywhere like a penetration like that comes through your wall. That's what gunite, it's kind of the death nail for gunite a lot of times, is that when the pipe inevitably leaves the shell, in a seismic event, your gravel's moving not necessarily the same direction as the shell of the pool. And when that happens, you get broken pipes. But because our shell is completely encapsulated, all these pipes will stay in the wall. They'll never leave, and they will go into the pool room. And in the pool room, they'll be accessible, but not before. You see, my conduits are less protected. They're also 10 times more flexible, and they are not wet. They are carrying wires, not water. So it's not near as big of a deal, and it'd be a lot harder to bury them with the big wide sweeps. So on this part, since it's burying, it doesn't matter, but just so I can show you what it's gonna look like on the infinity edge side over here, when the pipes do the same thing, we will take our rasp and clean it off real pretty so we can do our basecrete right over the top of it, and you'll never even know those pipes are there for those pipes on that infinity edge wall. So yeah, guys, it is coming right along. We made a ton of progress this week. We weren't even expecting to make. We thought we'd just be letting this one sit and cure. Had a little mix up with our schedule, and got most of the Element room built over here. But I really wanted to show you this before I go burying it. This is a killer way. We almost exclusively sell Nudura XRV panels, which are the or XR30, whatever they call them, where 4-inch thick foam on all of our Nudura 1 pool kits. Almost everything we do with Element, we give people the option, especially if we get to a one-sided solution with Element. It'll become very common. We'll just have pallets and pallets of their XR panels stocked. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this kind of cool feature, little detail. I've been wanting to show this for a while. Haven't done a Nudura 1 pool in the Ozarks in a minute, but it is just an obvious and easy way to go. We are going to end up using about 8 cans of foam total. So, $100 in foam, and you've protected these pipes for a lifetime. I'll see you guys next week.